Day. Imagine waking up every morning with boundless energy, sharper focus, and a stronger body. That's the promise of the biohacking. Small, science-backed changes that can transform your life. Today, we'll uncover 3 powerful biohacks that you can start using right now to boost your energy naturally. First, let's talk about morning light. Exposing your eyes to natural sunlight within 10 minutes of waking resets your circadian rhythm, boosts mood, and kickstarts energy for the day. Second, cold showers. Just 2 minutes under cold water can fire up your mitochondria, increase blood flow, and leave you feeling supercharged. And third, nutrition timing. Shifting your first meal later in the day can stabilize blood sugar, reduce fatigue, and sharpen your mental clarity. These aren't gimmicks. They are grounded in real science and designed to help you unlock your body's full potential. So, are you ready to hack your biology and take control of your energy? Let's dive in. And if you find this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs an energy reset.